Hi there everyone, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to walk you through how to connect your Stripe account through Zapier to your Builderall Mailingboss. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Now, I'm right here in my Zapier account. One thing I do want you to understand is that I'm already logged into my Zapier account. I'm also logged into my Builderall account, and I'm also logged into my Stripe account as well, just to make this tutorial a lot more fluid and easier. And I would advise also that you would already be connected or signed into these accounts, just to make your workflow a lot easier as well. Okay, so we're in the Zapier account. We're gonna click on create a Zap. And so what we're doing is we are connecting our Stripe account. So we might have to go into the search bar and type in Stripe. And then it's going to take you through a process, okay? So choose the app is Stripe. Choose an event. We're gonna choose new charge. Click continue. Choose an account. I only have one Stripe account connected to my Zapier account. We're going to click continue. Include failed charges, true. And then we are going to test the trigger. So what it's doing, it's pulling test information from your Stripe account into your Zapier account. It was successful. Click continue. Now we're going to look for the Builderall application in Zapier. So as you can see, I don't have to type it in. I use it, so it's right here in the top. So right here we pulled in Mailingboss. I'm going to choose an event. The only event that is available is to add a lead into a list. I'm going to click continue. We're going to choose an account. I only have one Builderall account connected to my Zapier. Click continue. And then we are going to put in some data right here. The ones that are required will be marked. So the only one that you really need is the email address and what list you want the email to be added to. Okay, so we're gonna go with we got to pick one of these. We want the customer email. Okay, and then we'll just put in the customer name here. Okay, and then we're gonna choose which list we want to put them into. I choose Top 1 Pros. Here the status confirmed or unconfirmed. This means when the customer is added to your list, what status do you want to them to be placed in, confirmed or unconfirmed. I'm going to click confirmed, and then we're going to click continue. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to test and review or test and continue. We're going to test and review. Okay. It says the lead was sent to the Builderall Mailingboss just now. This is the email that was sent to the list Top 1 Pros. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go to the Mailingboss list. And as you can see, I'm here in the list Top 1 Pros. And I'm going to refresh this page. And as you can see, the email was added to the list. Now I had put in confirmed, the status confirmed. It came out as unconfirmed. That's because Builderall and Mailingboss, they highly regard maintaining integrity. So we want the customer to confirm that they want to be added to this list. Okay, but nevertheless, the Zap worked. Okay, so now that it worked, all we got to do is we got to just turn on the Zap. And that's it. Go to my zaps, and you can see here the Zap Stripe to Builderall is on. And that's all you got to do. And as soon as you get a sale, the customer's email will be added to your Builderall Mailingboss list that you chose.